Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Toyota Camry door. Start by confirming the door is unlocked using the key fob or interior unlock button, then grasp the handle firmly. For manual locks, turn the key or push the lock tab down first. Pull the handle toward you with steady force while pushing the door outward with your other hand to avoid strain. For the exterior handle, gently clear any ice or dirt before attempting to open the door. If the handle resists, apply steady pressure and a slight wiggle to disengage the latch without breaking the handle. When electronics fail, use the emergency key blade in your key fob to unlock the driver door and then open normally, which prevents unnecessary force and inside the car, pull the interior handle straight back and hold until you feel the latch release fully. If the door is heavy or stiff, use the interior pull grip to support the door as it swings open to avoid slamming. For rear doors that won't open from the inside, check the child lock toggle on the door edge and switch it off before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.